is my new ride, the Volocopter. And this is something that Intel's been working on in partnership with some other companies, I don't know, Volocopter. So the idea here is short transportation, 70 kilometers an hour, a range of 35 kilometers, 30-minute battery life, and everything's fully automated. There's no flight stick or anything like that. It'll seat 2 passengers. And as you can see here, you're just hanging out along for the ride. It gets you there. You use your smartphone or this to tell it where you're going. And then once you get there, it will find a spot. It needs a spot about this big to land. So as long as you've got a yard or you know, rooftop or a spot in a parking lot, you'll be able to put it down. So as far as doing this in cities, they're probably going to have to start landing these on roofs and rooftops. But we're going to see this probably in the near future showing up here and there as just quick taxis ways to get you around town. We've got this, and we've also got some over there that we'll take a look at. There's the Surefly, a little bit different. This one's like a workhorse model, a little bit smaller. 2 layers of blades here. On the inside here, we actually do have a stick, but this one's also going to be automated. So similar design idea, it's a little bit different. Now back here, check this out. Electric truck with an 80-mile range, up to a 5,000-pound payload, but full-on electric truck right here. So the range is not crazy good, but it's going to be, you know, if you have a farm or if you're, you know, doing some work in town, this will be fine. This is not going to be something you're going to drive between cities. It's going to be something that you use as a work truck to go to and from, come back home, charge it up, and then you're good to go. If you want like a bro dozer, you can get this thing lifted.
Sick lifts, bro.
You wear your cowboy hat and boots and never get mud on anything. That's what you're not going to want this because it doesn't, when you turn it on, it's not going to go. Yes. Yeah. All right, so we wandered into the Ghostek booth because we've done a video on these, and we were looking at some of their new stuff because they were waterproof. They're making headphones now. These guys are out of Brooklyn. Check out the styling. This is the Raptor. And these, look at this. It looks like something out of the 70s. They're like, it's like a compression pillow for your head. High quality leather, about 139 bucks. Bluetooth, or you can plug them in. Impedance around 64 ohms and 40 millimeter drivers that are made out of graphene. So different drivers. And when you put these on, okay, they're some of the most comfortable, on-ear headphones I've ever felt because they don't actually, I guess the idea with the on-ear headphones is, you know, when they're circular, they kind of lay funny on your ears. This just lays on your entire ear. Like all that just lays right there on your entire ear. See that? Yeah, look at that. So it's really comfortable. Nothing would matter unless it sounded good, and I wasn't going to make any videos except the fact that I put them on and they sounded really good. The frequency response is a little bit geared toward, you know, the bass, but they've added a bunch of sparkle in the treble area, so you get sort of the beats or the hi-fi sound, but it's not as muddy, and then a bunch of hi-fi, I guess with a little hi-fi shift toward the top. So you have that hi-fi sound, but a nice sparkle in the top. The treble was really easy to hear, not sibilant though in the voices and stuff. So these things had a really clean sound. I only listened to R&B, and I did get them to put on some acoustic music, and that sounded really good too. So that's these, and here are the Pros. Now the Pros are going to be over the ear, and these have noise canceling. And what's weird about these is normally when you have the noise canceling, you press the noise canceling button and it adds like a static or a weirdness, and I didn't notice that at all. It doesn't sound different when you turn noise canceling on and off, but when I put them on, I can't hear a damn thing. All right, so that's Ghostek, guys. These things sound really good, but I like the style of these. Just, I guess they come in a few different colors, so you can get them in the black, this color, or like a cranberry. So check them out, they're pretty cool. I like them.